Hello everyone and welcome back to our CSS course. And today we are going to focus on a fundamental concept in CSS, the box model. Understanding the box model is crucial for controlling layout and design on your web pages. So let's get started. The box model in CSS describes the rectangular box that are generated for elements in the document tree. It consists of four parts: content, padding, border, and margin. The content area is where your text and images appear. It's the innermost part of the box. Padding is the space between the content and the border. It adds extra space inside the element. The border surrounds the padding and content. You can customize its width, style and color. Margin is the space outside the border. It separates the element from other elements on the page. That's it for today's lesson on the CSS Box model. We covered the content, padding, border and margin, and saw how these properties interact to create the layout of your elements. Understanding the box model is essential for creating well-structured and visual appealing web pages. Subscribe to this channel for more web development tutorials. If you have any questions or topic you'd like to discuss, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.